by step how to do a long multiplication question. So here's one example, 154 times 26. The best way to think of this is that you're multiplying 154 by 6 and you're multiplying 154 by 20, and then we're going to add those two answers back together. So step 1 is 6 times 4, which is 24. And you write the 4 here in the units column and you carry over your 2. 6 times 5, the next digit, 6 times 5 is 30, and then add the 2, that's 32. 2 there and carry over the 3. 6 times 1 is 6, add the 3 and it's 9. So 154 multiplied by 6 is 924. What I recommend you do now is you score out these numbers up the top that you carry forward so that you know that they've been used. You'll see why in the next step because you don't want to get those mixed up with anything else. You're now multiplying by the 20 and 26. And that's the same as multiplying by 2 but 10 times bigger. So to make it 10 times bigger, you just start off by adding a 0 here, and that will make your answer 10 times bigger. You then just do the same thing again, but by multiplying by the 2 this time. 2 times the 4 is 8. 2 times the 5 is 10. Now this was why I told you to score out these numbers. It's 10, so you're at the 0 here. You've multiplied the 5, so you're carrying the 1 over to here. You're then doing 2 times 1, which is 2. And on the 1 that you've carried on, then that is 2. So 154 times 20 is 3008. Now you have your two answers, you just need to add them. 4 and 0, 4, 8 and 2, 10, 9 and 1, 10, 3 and 1 is 4. So your answer is 154 times 26.